What's up guys, and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Java on your PC free and fast. If you're new on channel, hit like and subscribe, turn the bell on. First what you need to do, just open your browser and type on Google Java. And open Java Oracle and you will see Get Java for Desktop Application. Click here Download Java and you will see Java 8 is recommended. Go here down below and click Download Java. Save installation and open your installation. Go yes, a new window will open. You will see here Java Setup Welcome. You can also change your destination folder or go install like me. Click here Install and just wait few minutes to installation process. And that's all guys. When you install Java on your PC like me, you will see message you have successfully installed Java. Click here Close, and that's it guys for this video. If this guide helped you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button. I see you in the next video. Bye guys.